What's up, guys? The Rogue Vet back at you with another video today. So we're finally going to replace those nasty, ugly, chrome looking emblems on the front of the car. Now I have the carbon flash black emblems that are going to replace all of them, but I'll show you which ones I'm going to end up having to remain on the car versus it. So I'll be setting this up here, that way y'all can watch me take them off and install them, but hope y'all enjoy the video. Also, links will be down in the description below to find out where I've purchased these in case y'all do want to buy them as well. And trust me, they are very good quality. I highly recommend it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do, but let's go ahead and get underway. All right, guys, so here are the emblems I will be replacing on the front and the rear. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, the previous owner took off the back Corvette name on the back. I'm gonna keep that off for now. I do have a replacement, but I kind of like how it is not on there, so we're gonna keep that off. And then as far as the Stingrays on the side, I do have replacements for those, but I think I'm just gonna keep them off for now. I can always change my mind, put them back on, but we'll be taking those off and those will stay off. So what we'll do, I'm gonna set these down here for now. I do have some fish wire here to help try to get that off. The sun's kind of been hitting down on it, which may be helping a little bit, but we'll see. So let's go ahead. Guys, so I finally got the emblem off and all of the backing that was on there. Now I just have to clean it up a little bit more because there's still some spots left, but I'll go ahead and do that now. That way we can go ahead and put the other one on. All right, now that it's all clean, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and we will remove the backing on there and then line it up on the car. Once it looks pretty good, let's press down. Simple as that, guys. Let's move on to the next. All right, as you can see, most of the 3M adhesive backing, the black part, is off. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to clean off the rest of it. That way it looks nice and clean. So let me do that here. And voila, guys, there we go. The decal is off, got it cleaned, and there we go. Okay, so this one's finally off. I'm just gonna finish cleaning the remaining residue on there, and then we'll go ahead and make sure it's all clean and then head to the last one. And this side is done, guys. All right, we'll keep going on. the final black decal on the car. Remember, I said I was gonna keep this bottom one off for now. I can always put it on, but I do have it. There's the carbon flash black. Oh my gosh, guys, I love it so much. Let's go around to the side, kind of show you. There's the one off. I do have the Stingrays on the side, but I'm gonna leave them off for now. Here's the front of the back, or excuse me, the back. Here's the front decal here. Looks very good. And that one off as well. Overall, I am very satisfied. I do like the look of that. I think it looks great. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed me putting on these decals. The next video will be coming up. Remember, links in the description below if y'all do want some black decals just like this for your C7 Corvette. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next one, guys, I hope you all have an awesome one. See you later. Bye.